Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of the ugliest thing in any old house, the dreaded popcorn ceiling. Other than being a total mess, it's not technically difficult to do, and just about any DIYer can handle it. Put on your dust mask because today we scrape. My friends Rob and Amy bought this mid-century house, and the people before them obviously had an obsession with owls. They were everywhere, and almost as many owls as there were popcorn ceilings. So before moving anything in, they decided to tackle the ceilings first. The first thing you want to do is take everything off your ceiling. Get it cleared out so you have no scraping obstructions. Then, you gotta cover everything in plastic, and it takes a lot of plastic. Cover up all the windows and openings so you don't get popcorn on the blinds. Just tape some thin painter's plastic around it, and that does the job nicely. Once we had the room looking like this, we were ready to start. You're gonna fill just a simple pump sprayer with water. And if your ceilings haven't been painted too many coats, you just spray the water on top of it. It wets the popcorn and it makes it much easier to come off, and it really eliminates the dust. This is by far the best way to get popcorn off the ceiling. Then we picked up one of these simple popcorn ceiling scrapers at a local hardware store, attached it to an extension pole, and put just some basic plastic grocery bags on. They have these little clips so you can attach the bag so that as you scrape, the baggie catches everything. Then you just empty the bag as you move along. It's a great and cheap little system. Some popcorn ceilings can contain asbestos, so you want to have it tested first to make sure it's safe. This ceiling had been painted a couple times, and you can see it comes off a little bit in chunks. This next ceiling was never painted, and it peels right off once you wet it. It takes a little while to get the feel for it, just a little practice and you'll get it. Notice it doesn't take everything off, the seams and some of the other areas stay, and it's really all about moving the popcorn portion. You can use a taping knife or a putty knife to get some of the smaller, hard-to-reach areas or troublesome spots. And it works well to have a two-person team, wetting and scraping. When you're done, you'll be left with something like this. Hopefully without the gouges that we left. And then it's time to wash up. Oh, this house. A little sanding, some priming, and some paint, and you're left with this. A much more attractive ceiling. No more popcorn. And I've got one more pro tip coming up for you that's going to save a lot of trouble. Have someone else do the work. Go a little bit faster, Rob. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gives you the confidence to tackle your own popcorn ceilings. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any in the future. And take a look at the dozens of other videos I have as well. And look, the YouTube overlords have selected 2 for you to enjoy already.